going to show you how to use Oakland Reads to do the Let's Go Back activity today. You can always change your language up here at the top. And if you're doing this on a tablet or a phone, you would go to Menu and change your language there. So I'm going to go to How Reading Works and then knowing how to read accurately and quickly, because that's part of fluency. So I'm going to scroll down. There's a little explanation of fluency, and there's two sections of videos. One is about fluency, reading accurately, quickly, and with expression. And there's a few videos there that you can watch. And then there's other videos that are about how to help your child read longer, trickier words by reading with syllables and identifying syllables. So if I scroll down, there's activities, and they address both of those things, fluency and also reading syllables. Today we're going to focus on syllable work. So this activity at the end has syllable practice cards. So you click on that and open this up and scroll down, and then it goes through the different kinds of syllables, and it has different word lists to practice those different kind of syllables. So this would be the first step, is reading these syllables. Sometimes a syllable can also be a word. So cake, for example, time, chime. These are all words that are also syllables. Same thing on here. Most of these are words. So this is something you can practice with your child. Let's go back here. There's a video up here that explains more about the different kinds of syllables. So you can learn more about what the syllables are and what the rules are to read them. Another activity down here is just identifying syllables. So having your child telling them a word and then having them clap the syllables. So let's use the word syllable, for example. They would put their hand under their jaw and say syllable. Every time their jaw moves, that's one syllable. So then they could clap it, syllable, and then you count the syllables. Next level of that would be to have them read a word and then divide it into syllables. So you can click on this link, and this has some examples of words that they can divide into syllables and then use their syllable strategies to read those words. And again, there's videos here that explain a lot more about what those syllable strategies are and how to find a vowel and then figure out where the syllable is and figure out the rule to reading that syllable. Hope that helped. Have fun.